the hood?
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Okay, cool. All right. Well, this is how I do the outro. Okay, don't. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so cool. So let me
How
look
good is it
around.
though?
This is amazing. Like, hey, how good is this?
I
So
mean,
guys, who's ever watching this video, how good is this? I mean, again, we've got all these assets basically for free, and we're using them. I mean, this is. Hi all, welcome to 100% free game assets in the Godot engine, in a Godot multiplayer game. That's right, this is a vlog part 2 of kind of our process of us starting out a tutorial series that will be in GDScript and C# related to putting in multiplayer in an actual multiplayer game. This is part 2 of that. I want to give a quick shout out to all the people who came out to support the channel for the premiere of the last video. Thank you so much. You don't know how much that helps out. At least motivate. It's so motivating. Thank you. Thank you, okay? Now, given that, though, as the channel is starting to grow, yay, we want to make games together. That is actually one of the mission statements of the channel, and we do want to give answers. We want to answer questions. We have a backlog list related to game development. So that is the thing. The biggest thing, though, that for us right now is figuring out when should we meet up. Me and Grief Chief would like to hang out for like, I don't know, like 2 or 3 hours at some point and just like, hang out. You can ask us questions related to game development. We can support you, like, hey, give you like, yeah, you can do it. You can get it done. All that stuff. We want to do that. We want to do it sometime together online. I know we're in different countries, which is beautiful, but it'd be nice to figure out a good time we could meet up. So if you can, put a comment below when you would like to like just hang out, make some games together, and we'll try to put a schedule together and like do a stream on YouTube or like maybe some other streaming service where we can just make games and Q&A some stuff. I don't know. The big thing too is that yes, we are super reliant on Godot. Reliance, I should say. We're super focused on Godot. And why is Godot in a wheelchair? You can ask me that question below, okay, and I'll answer it, okay? I don't have the time to answer it right now. But these are other engines that Grief Chief should be able to work with. He's had some experience with Unity. He's a very prolific programmer, but he takes time. There's a lot of research, especially if these questions are very specific. But yeah, ask us anything. That's the goal. You can even ask us any type of questions related to any of your game projects anytime in the comments below. I'll try to put a list of them so when we actually do the stream, we will be able to answer those questions and or make another video about just answering questions, okay? Without further ado, let's get this thing started. Insert cat. This is not goodbye. I'm sorry. The video's coming up right now, and FYI, the sound, I had to use this microphone. It pops a little. I do apologize, but I needed both of my hands free, okay? All right. Hope you enjoy. Recording. All right, so welcome to the happy ending part of this. It's been a couple of days. I almost feel like this is another update. This video alone by itself should be another update. I click over here. We are in the world. This is it. I don't know how to turn my head, though. How do I turn my head?
Press T again.
T? Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Capture the mouse.
Oh, my God. Look at this. This is beautiful. That is a beautiful sky. That is killing the graphics. Oh, look at that. That looks so cool. Again, FYI, these are all free assets. This is all made with all the free assets, except for that thing. I think. Did you make that?
Yeah, that's in my Blender.
Did you make the building?
My Blender abilities.
We are floating,
from
hugging
4 years ago.
Oh my gosh, 4 years ago. That's great. Let's go. You want to go inside really quick? Oh my gosh, I feel this is another video. So this. I can't go all the way in. Okay.
You can. You just need to jump a little bit.
Or you jump a little bit. Oh, we're hugging robots. The hugging robots game. Wait, is this like a samurai sword thing? Oh no, it's a rail. It's intersected in. Look at those textures though. Those are pretty sweet. I mean, yeah, they could be better, but I mean, still though, that's really still pretty sweet.
Metallic reflection, basically.
Again, these hugging robots are made from Golden. Golden's in the Godot Wild Jam. That's where I know him from. If it's the same Golden. All right, okay. How do I drive this car?
Oh.
How do I get in? Can I be a passenger?
Yes, you can be a passenger, but drive because
it's better. Okay, how do I press E or something?
Yes, but you need to aim.
Oh, I'm in. Okay. All right. Okay, there's no sound, so. Ah! Oh, we don't infinitely fall. You put a spot in. Okay. Oh my God.
Um,
I just
yeah,
crashed
you
the
have
car
to.
already.
You there on the left side. You can get back on the road.
How do I just drive it? You're gonna have to
All the
drive.
way
Can
to
I
the
get out of this
left.
car?
Yes, it works now.
What works?
Press C again to.
Get out. Okay, I'm out. All right, am I gonna
Yeah,
fall to my death?
now I am in. Okay,
Okay, I
you
didn't fall to
go.
my death. All right. Okay, and then E. Oh my God, I'm a passenger in the car. This is so cool. Oh yeah, you're better at driving. So,
Yeah, I think
I
so.
love how that's like a hidden thing,
So, so
popping in and
now
out.
you can. So now you can drive.
I I don't know if I can. I'm not licensed. Plus,
Yeah, just yeah.
I didn't test these mechanics like you did. Oh, hold on. I gotta aim here. So
Nah, you
again,
did it right. It's just that I have a bug.
oh, it's
So it
okay.
exits
Oh
immediately.
my God, I'm
Don't.
just like throwing myself out of here. Can I? Oh, I went in
You have.
reverse. I went from the other side and I made it. Do you want to try to
Yeah.
get in this, or I don't know if you want to
No,
try to get
you
in.
keep driving. Keep driving. Just drive out. Drive.
Oh my
Either
God, this
drive
is so
on that
cool.
or
Try not to. Oh my
drive
gosh, how
off.
did I slow down? Oh my gosh. Oh, I get it. So the mouse is completely separated like a head from the steering. Perfect.
Exactly.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
look at this. This is
Watch
amazing.
how. Watch what
Jeez.
happens to me when you're driving really really fast.
Really? I'm trying. I can't find
Yeah.
you yet.
Get off the road.
Get off the
Into the.
road. Ah.
Yeah. Not there though. Outside.
Oh, whoa. What? You're still teleporting here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so funny. Uh, you st- oh
So
gosh, it's so cool. So, yeah, I basically, wow, I'm in a weird angle with the car now. It's
yeah,
like I'm
that's
still
a
in the
bug.
vehicle.
That's a
This
bug.
is still
I
really cool. All
mean,
right. So again, I just wanted to show what it turned out to be. I think I'm gonna make this into 2 videos. I don't know. We'll see how this works. I'll probably just have to
get in.
re-edit like an intro. Um,
Get back in.
and okay, I'm hovering very slow.
Jump.
Let me jump.
Yeah.
Nope. No, I'm still going through the. I'm still going through this thing.
Okay, let me get to you.
If you guys have if anyone has any questions related to what you've seen in the video, because I know I cut a lot of it, then feel free to ask. Again, this is us trying to get ready for an actual course in multiplayer. So, oh god, don't kill it. Yeah, I mean it's gonna take a while, and don't worry, we're still gonna do all this in C#. That is the plan. That's the game plan. Okay, I'm trying to get in. Ah. Where's my aiming? I'm trying to aim
Try
for
here.
it.
Try for
Oh, I got
the
it. I got it. Okay, I
hood
think
or nah.
it's
Try for
weird.
the hood.
Try for the hood.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Okay, cool. All right. Well, this do the outro. Okay, don't. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so cool. So let me
How
look
good is it
around.
though?
This is amazing. Like, hey, how good is this?
I
So
mean,
guys, who's ever watching this video, how good is this? I mean, again, we've got all these assets basically for free, and we're using them. I mean, does this look pretty slick? I mean, you guys be the judge, or gals, right? So, yeah,
so
I mean,
these
this
are
is the
all
outcome.
assets from the. Most assets are from the asset library or free GitHub repositories of things like this terrain. But yeah, actually, this terrain is also an asset library asset. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the way it looks at the
I
moment.
am too. I mean, like, again, this is a start. Even though like you're teleporting crazy on my screen, I mean, still, this is
Yeah,
beautiful. I mean,
and
again, we
you are
don't.
outside the car at this point.
Am I outside in the
Um,
car in your version of the game?
yeah,
That's so funny because
yeah.
I'm totally inside the car. At least you're inside the car driving, even though we have no animated driving or anything. So, yeah, yeah, this is the thing. So,
So the exit and drive for a second so that you see me go back. Drive
okay,
the car.
I know I'm trying to get in the car. I don't know where I look like where I'm at you, but I'm like right by the steer. Oh, okay, I'm in. Are you in?
Okay, so watch me. You go keep going forward and watch me.
Oh, I see. So I have to stop
And
and you
then,
teleport back.
yeah, that's one of the things that I'll fix
I see.
later.
I
But
see. You're like right in the back. We're gonna have like a steering mirror. The thing about I am working on a car, but I gotta take a look at how this car was made, so I can figure out like what to do. And I don't mind modding it. Is this car MIT as well?
I believe it should be. It's I don't know where Bastian mentioned in the video where he got it from. So
Okay, I just have to take a look at
should
the.
be at minimum CC, which should be usable by us.
Okay, okay. All right. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up again, guys. If you have any questions, put them below about how we did any of this stuff. Again, we're gonna eventually we're gonna get there with the C# stuff, but right now most of the stuff that we're using is in GD script, so it's just easier to use that to study to start. But we have not forgotten about the C# people. And what else was I gonna say? If you guys want to see the entire godforsaken 4 hours or 5.5 hours of this, just tell me that below. If anyone's interested in that, I'll post it somewhere. But I had to edit it because yeah, I mean, there's a lot of getting stuck. So there you go. So again, any questions, comments, you know what to do, put them below. Oh my gosh, it's freaky. Seeing your head. Is there anything do you have, Alexander, do you have anything you want to say?
Nah, that's all for me for now.
Okay, all right, okay. So insert catchy phrase here, guys. If there's any questions or comments, I've said that a bazillion times. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, all that other jazz. It is YouTube. And I'll catch you all on the next one. All right. Bye.